Hello YouTube, this is Boom Productions here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the ultimate peanut butter sandwich. So, hold up. You're going to need a utensil such as this, and 2 slices of bread. Get the peanut butter. And then just smack that on there, just like that. And yeah, there you go. Looks pretty yummy. Put it right there, just in case of any natural disasters. And then we're gonna get some chili powder. We're gonna spray that all over.
Oh, that's hot.
I'm gonna get one of these bad boys. Oh yeah, just like that. Get some of this yummy-licious. Oh yeah, that is so good. Oh God, Jesus. Get some Wawa. Kind of dip it all over there. Dip it. Get some more peanut butter. About that much, barely any. Kind of put it on the other piece of bread. Make it look good. Get the paper, other bread. Then you get a candy cane and you just stab it right in there. Oh yeah. Sandwich looks so good. Let me show you the results. There you go. Oh yeah, it's so good. I'm about to eat this, so I'm gonna need you guys to leave me alone in peace. So later.